Hi, my name is Shazuka. This tutorial will help you to fix all your DLL problems manually. First open new browser, then type dll-files.com. Now the page is open. You see the software that will cost you money and automatically fix DLL problem, but we looking for a free and easy way, so type in the search bar the name of DLL files you need, for example 64.dll. So I select one of these. Choose according to your operating system, and download the file. After the download, extract the file. I'm not doing it because I already have it. OK, copy the DLL file, then go to your Windows folder. Look for System32, open it and paste the DLL file. I don't need it, so I don't paste it. Congrats, you manually installed DLL file of your need. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.